Yeah, after I had my, this is my second time coming here. This one for my shoulder. This is my first time doing my shoulder, just getting a touch up on my knees. And immediately afterwards, within a matter of days for me, it felt like I can go out and carry the ball again. You know, I've got my competitive edge back without having to go under the knife under a surgeon. And that's the number one thing for me. I came here to RBI because number one, they're very extremely knowledgeable about what their work is. They're explaining to you exactly what they're doing, why they're doing it. Very thorough with their approach. They make you feel comfortable with the process. The process is not long at all. You come in and out, and it's one of the best in the country, in my opinion. I can't speak for anybody else, but in terms of what they do, how they do it, and how they explain it to you is top notch and one of the best.